Every morning, share your smile with the world. It's a symbol of peace and happiness. May morning give you the comfort and peace that you seek. Respected Principal Shani Ma'am, Manager Majid Sir, beloved teachers and all my dear friends. Wishing you a very wonderful, peaceful morning. Myself Aisha Nazrin of Class 3. Today we, the students of Class 3 are hosting morning assembly. School attention! Stand at ease. Attention! Stand at ease. The simple path. Silence is prayer, prayer is faith. Faith is love, love is service. The fruit of service is peace. Prayer creates more peace. It's time to pray for the peace of world. I welcome Safa Mariam for the prayer. School attention! Stand at ease. Attention! Join your hands and close your eyes. Prayer.
Everything I am, everything I am, everything I be, everything I be, I give it to you, Lord. I give it to you, Lord, and do it thankfully, thankfully. Everything I have, everything I have, all you given me, all you given me. I give it to you, Lord. I give it to you, Lord, and do it thankfully, thankfully. Every song I sing, every prize I bring, everything I do is a gift to you, is a gift to you, is a gift to you.
Thank you, Safa. I invite Devananda for the school prayer. Let's bow our heads.
School prayer. O God, bless us, enlighten our minds, strengthen our memories, and direct our wills, and help us in our studies. We submit ourselves before you. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Devananda, for such a good prayer. Let us all pledge today to devote time for establishing permanent peace. It is the need of today to establish permanent peace. Now let's take an oath with Muhammad Rayan.
Good morning, all. Pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness.
Thank you, Rayan. Every day is a good day. There is something to learn, care, and celebrate. Let's learn the message of the day through the words of Resilience.
आप सबको मेरा सुप्रभात। आज का विचार, जिसने मन की शांति को प्राप्त कर लिया उसने ईश्वर को प्राप्त कर लिया। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Resilience. Your mind is a garden, your thoughts are the seeds. You can grow flowers or you can grow the weeds. It's time to listen the thought of the day. I welcome Devdash for the thought.
Thought of the day. Peace begins in our heart, grows in our mind, manifests through your will and spreads through your action. Thank you.
Thank you, Devdash, for the great words. No matter how hard today is, remember you will never have to do this day again. Let's welcome Nakshitra for the tip of the day.
Hi friends, tip for the day. Not a minute, not a never. Let's promise ourselves
to be in peace during a whole day. Feel it and offer it to your world. Thank you.
Thank you, Nakshatra, for the wonderful tip. A news is what everyone wants to know about. And the best news is that which has the greatest interest for the greatest number. Let's listen to the headlines. Amina, please.
Good morning to all. Today, 21st September 2021, International Day of Peace. World Peace of Day 2021 theme is Recovering Better for an Equitable and Sustainable World. May this International Day of Peace fill the spirit of kindness, love and brotherhood in everyone's heart. Happy International Day of Peace. Let's listen to the headlines. World largest expressway coming up in India gets finished with 7 points. Microsoft launches internship program for undergraduate students. Registration begins. Kerala. Schools to reopen from 1st November. College from 4th October. CBSE class 10 and 12. Term 1 boards exams to start in November. Sports. IPL 2021 Mumbai Indians mentor Sachin Tendulkar joins team for training session.
Thank you, Amina.
Now it's time to enjoy the Malayalam poem in the voice of Kashnathan.
നമസ്കാരം. പ്രശസ്ത കവയിത്രി സുഗതകുമാരി ടീച്ചറുടെ കണ്ണന്റെ അമ്മ എന്ന കവിതയിലെ ഏതാനും വരികളാണ് ഞാനിന്നിവിടെ ചൊല്ലാൻ പോകുന്നത്. കണ്ണന്റെ അമ്മ. കണ്ടോ കണ്ണനെ കണ്ണും ചുവന്നമ്മ കാട്ടിൽ തേടി നടക്കുന്നു. കണ്ടില്ല ഞങ്ങൾ കണ്ടില്ല കരിവണ്ടും തുമ്പിയും മൂളുന്നു. കണ്ടില്ല ഞങ്ങൾ കണ്ടില്ല മലർച്ചെണ്ടുകൾ മിണ്ടാതെ നിൽക്കുന്നു. കണ്ടിട്ടേയില്ല ഞാനെന്നു പേടമാൻ കണ്ണും നീട്ടിത്തിരിയുന്നു. കണ്ണനി കാട്ടിലെ വന്നില്ല കൊച്ചു കാളിന്റെ ഓളങ്ങൾ തുള്ളുന്നു. കണ്ണനി കാട്ടിലെ വന്നില്ല കൊച്ചു കാളിന്റെ ഓളങ്ങൾ തുള്ളുന്നു. കടലു കടച്ചു വലഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ അമ്മ തിരികെ പോവാൻ തുടങ്ങുന്നു. കാടിൻ നീലിച്ച ഹൃത്തിൽ നിന്നപ്പോൾ ഓരോടക്കുഴൽ വിളി പൊങ്ങുന്നു. കാടിൻ നീലിച്ച ഹൃത്തിൽ നിന്നപ്പോൾ ഓരോടക്കുഴൽ വിളി പൊങ്ങുന്നു. കമ്പുകരം വിട്ടു വീഴുന്നു. മുഖം പുഞ്ചിരി കൊണ്ടു തിളങ്ങുന്നു. കണ്ണും പൂട്ടി നിന്നമ്മ തൻ കുഞ്ഞിന്റെ പൊന്നോടക്കുഴൽ കേൾക്കുന്നു. കണ്ണും പൂട്ടി നിന്നമ്മ തൻ കുഞ്ഞിന്റെ പൊന്നോടക്കുഴൽ കേൾക്കുന്നു. നന്ദി.
Thank you, Kashnathan. On this International Day of Peace, let us dare to imagine a world free of conflict and violence. Let us spread the message of peace and love on the occasion of the International Day of Peace. Here we, the students of Class 3, are devoting some moments to celebrate the International Day of Peace. Let's enjoy.
Smiling is a good gift. Peace begins with a smile.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Man qatala nafsan bighayri nafsin aw fasadin fil ardi faka'annama qatala an-nasa jami'an.
Peace of heart is the natural outcome of purity of heart.
Peace is not something you wish for.
It's something you make, something you do, something you are, something you give away. in it. One must work at it. Happy Peace Day. Thank you.
A great vision is like a national anthem. It has the power to pull together, emotionally connect, and inspire great things. Get ready for the national anthem. School attention! Standard is attention!
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गादा जन